Of course, for my daughter, Shandy, wish ko lang sa'yo good health, of course, and success to your career. And I love you, alam mo yan. Ayokong umiyak, so I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you forever. Ayan. I love you, anak. Happy, happy 18th birthday. Ayan. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Mercy. Ngayon po, for the rest of our 18 candles, tatawagin natin siguro by 6. Okay, now may call on Fermaine Fuentes. Sigurahin muna natin ang sister pala. Miss Fermaine Fuentes, let us give her a big round of applause, please.
Hi, Shen! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to my ate. To my one and only sister and my always kakampi. You know that I love you, di ba ko? Di ko gusto mag-cry, so nasa messenger. Happy birthday!
Oh, kiss naman dyan. Parang hindi nagsasabunutan, no? Nag-away, madalas. May palakpakan naman natin. Sabi nga nila, maging kaaway mo na daw ang lahat ng tao sa mundo, wag na wag lang daw yung kapatid mo, no? So, very blessed si Mrs. Shandy to be with you guys, especially the mom, very supportive po. Next, let us call on ito, Mary Jane Fuentes, Elizabeth Lubas, Liza May Kainog, Jewel Esteloga, and Lexi. Okay, ladies, dito kayo sa right side, please. Okay, who would like to go first? Sino mauna sa inyo? Okay, let us hear from Mary Jane Fuentes.
Parang ayaw maula.
Wala siyang boses. O yun na yun, palakpakan nyo guys. Yun na lang ang interpret. Yun na yun. Okay, next, let us
Ang haba naman.
Alright, Elizabeth Lubas.
Hindi.
Hi, Sean. First of all, thank you for inviting me to be one of your 18 candles. It's so nice to finally see you again after so many years. Even though we haven't seen each other in a while, I'm glad we still keep in touch and that our friendship is still here. I'm so proud of the amazing person you've become, and I'm so excited to see where life takes you next. I wish you happiness, success, and all the best in this new chapter of your life. Happy 18th birthday, Sean. Always remember, I'll be here for you no matter what. Happy 18th birthday or Sunday. From elementary to senior high, with your growth. Each year revealed a new improved you, and I cherish that every version of you. Our friendship, even though we don't hang out more often, I value it so much. I'm so glad we kept in touch through all these years. Wishing you all the best as you start this exciting new chapter of your life. May this year bring you tons of happiness and success. Cheers to more memories ahead. Enjoy your special day.
Hi, Sean. Happy birthday. As you gracefully step into your new chapter of your life, may your debut of you be as radiant as your personality. And may your 18th year be filled with enjoyment, success, and love. Happy birthday again. Thank you and I love you.
Alright, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin, everyone. The first set of our girls. Next, let me call on Lexi. Natawag na sa Lexi, right? We have Danisa. Danisa, Hannah. Danessa, right? Danessa, is she around?
Salamat. Pa-share naman
Okay,
po.
please proceed right here. Danessa, Hannah, Charmel, Saline, Dayubay. Saline. Ano ba? Dito size. Saline. Okay. Saline, Dayubay, and ano ba ito? Anong name niya? Wingeline. Right? Wingeline.
Keep
Dayan
pa-share
Dayan
naman.
and Stephanie Carbon. Okay? Don't light up your candles muna ha. Sabay-sabay niyo ilalight up mamaya. Now, please proceed. Go.
Hi, Shandy! Happy birthday! Bisasa na lang ko, no? Happy birthday, Jud kaya guwapa kay karong kabulong guwapa na kay kabulong ko dili na classmate mo. Pero kabulong ko pagka grade 10, naging close mo na dito. Unsa karon? Na ako diri kay pagguwapa sa iyong birthday siya. Unsa gani? Salamat kayo kay gi-invite ko nimo nya. Bring back the mga memories sa pagka grade 10. Karon, maniguang nga ta mo ito makulong, charot. Wala to, happy birthday siya, gwapa kayo ka.
So, first of all, I would like to say happy birthday, Shandy, and thank you for inviting me. Karang, bisaya na lang ako kay dugay na kayo tawag ng tita, tapos gwapa kay kakaroon, and thank you lang kay invite ko din mo. Miss lang ako itong bonding since grade 7 until grade 10, tapos I hope more great things come to you. Tapos, yung mga chika ni mo, I hope things go well between you. Pagkato lang.
So, hi Sean. First of all, gusto na lang kayo pabalo sa mga napaula-ula ko sa akong sarili talaga ina. And sayang wala din mo nakita kay si Shanty Jude, like siya ang pinaka-close na ko tong grade 7. And di man obvious pero sa unang permiti may ginapangutano na, hala, kambal mo? Dinanaan dyan sa una nga kamukha daw me. Tapos, to the point, ano yung mega close to the point na pagka grade 7, gi-change me og seat. Pero nagatapad dyan mo ko sa yaha. Kay, si Shanty mo good, once you get to know her na mabalan dyan yung mga genuine good siya mo na comfortable kay ko sa yaha. So like,
Diyan si Bal.
we witness each other group Jud, and I'm so proud of how you become Shan. And so my wish is, I wish you have all the good things in your life, Shan. And ikaw isa sa mga kailan ako kanang tahimik lang gud sa mga what's going on sa iyong mind. So like, ang wish na ko Shan kay dili ka mahadlok maging vulnerable sa mga Shan. Kay naalam mo diri ang mamino and willing mi mag-help sa imong ha. And also Shan, selfish man siya paminawon pero I wish na mag-remain ka as my friend forever. And also we will witness each other's success in the near future. So happy birthday Shan.
Hi, Shandy! So, happy birthday! And nag-prepare din akong speech ami bago lang ikram lang na ako. So, dapat basahon din ako ni siya. So, first, gusto ko na akong mag-storytelling goro kung kay si Shanty Monggod, one of the person na I known for like a decade na siguro. Pila ng years may nagkakailanay. So, Shanty was one of my few friends that I've met ever since my childhood. So, it all started when we were classmates and together with her lola. I'm very close to her lola and Shandy. Tapos, pagka-high school, the fate decided to keep us in contact. So, Shandy, with no char-char ni ha, Shandy really is one of a kind. Maingon din ako. And as you can see naman, she is a very, very beautiful lady and also a woman with a composed demeanor, which is a character that I really admire about you the most. So, Shandy, welcome sa Legality. Happy 18th birthday, and I wish you a freer and more fun years ahead. A real adventure as you approach the first moments of your 18th. I have nothing else to wish but the utmost best in every aspect of your life. And may the stars align of fate that truly deserve this lifetime. Happy birthday, Shandy.
Birthday Shan. Thank you for being a friend during your 11th and like, last year lang ka naging friend and
Emotion.
my friend and I wish na good health and good future kay kabalo kong namakaya ni mo na.
Alright, thank you girls. Palakpakan naman natin everyone. Now, we have our last set of our ladies tonight to give their messages. We have Erin, Johanny, Gwinnett, Ashley Marie, and Ellen John. And ladies, please arrange yourselves.
Hi, Shay! Happy birthday! Thank you for having me here. Brief lang ako ingat yung kasi ngayon lang po. First of all, wow. The dress is giving. Imagine husband, grabe. Kapag ikaw pa kayo. Ang advice lang, ay ang wish lang, wish lang ako for you to have a fruitful journey and for you to have like surround
Naipakibot mo yung live ko.
yourself with influence na friends, for example ako, and kato lang, as a former 18-year-old, ayun ako, good luck lang dyan. Again, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best. Lalagay, kalayo.
Alright, let us hear from our next message giver. Go girl!
First of all, you're very pretty tonight, and I just want to greet you a happy birthday. And I've never thought that I'd be part of your friend group, and which is very super epic. And I've never expected na maging part ko sa imong friends, and I'm very thankful for that. And I hope that there are more blessings will come to you and your family, and I pray that your mother is always safe wherever she goes. Once again, happy birthday and welcome to adulthood.
Hi Shandy, happy birthday, and we can never really decline Fanta Sisters face card are never declining. So, ang wish na kasi muha is ang wish na kasi muha is kahit ang sa mga mabot sa tong life, mga trials, circumstances, struggles, I hope na makaya ni mo siya face brave and kanang success. And you know, our path towards adulthood might be tough. And I can say na you can always count on us as your second ates, as your ate Fermie's friends. And thank you.
Hi, Sean. Happy birthday. Actually, ako siya lang ever graduate. Hindi sa mga lubu parties. Pero, yeah, I wish you nothing but the best. And stay beautiful, intelligent. And thank you for being ate sa among circle po. Kay very indecisive po na among circle. Mga bayti naman ang tami, pero indecisive yung kami tanan. But yeah, thank you for being the one na decide for us and being supportive not to your ate lang but to our circle as well. And as what Ellen said, kay you can you can always count on us and we will always be your ates and kuyas. Ayun, happy birthday, Sean.
Hi, Shandy! Happy birthday! Wala ko kabaluga na magkantan ko karon kay imong ate. Wala dyan ko gihingan. Anyway, you're so pretty. I wish you all the best. Especially na mag-enter na ka sa phase in your life na you will start to face the adulthood na. I wish you na maging brave ka, especially if, you know, mabot na ka college.
Alright, so I think that's it. That concludes our 18 candles tonight. Mga kaibigan, palakpakan naman po natin. These 18 ladies right here, sila po yung gagabay kay Shani as she goes along into the journey of adulthood. So now, no, kantahan po natin ang isang happy birthday song si Shani as she blows all her 18 candles tonight. Dear Shan, unahin mo dito sa right side and then pabalik sa left side naman. Okay? Guys, let us all together sing our first happy birthday song tonight. Everybody! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ay, tinakpan nga. Happy birthday to you.
Louder, guys! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, happy 18th birthday to Shani! And of course, guys, we will be singing another happy birthday song tayo mamaya. Nakapag-ibablow niya ang kanyang birthday candle. But this time, maraming salamat sa lahat ng ating ladies. And thank you so much for coming tonight. And once again, palakpakan natin our 18 candles in Shani celebration. Now, ladies, huwag mo na kayong aalis. Please join Shani para po sa inyong photo op. Okay? Same formation as earlier sa ating boys. Yung iba, side view lang please para magkasya tayo in one frame. Side view ka ng Beauty Queen. Alright, side view ng very light. Ayan. And then yung facing yung iharap. Yeah, like that. Para sexy. Okay, side view. Opo, harap po naman. Yan. Kailangan mo lang mga binibining Pilipinas. Sige, pasok mo ang shoulder mo. Okay. Sige. Okay. Strike a pose and smile. Now, habang nagbibigtorya ng ating 18 candles, we will be having our last muna na tradition bago kumain ang lahat. Okay? Now, for our 18 blue wheels, hindi po magbibigay ng mensahe ang lahat. Okay? Kung sino lang yung gustong magbigay ng message at nakapag-ready. Okay, kindly take your seats, girls, now. Punta po muna